Anmol and Shreya, who have recently completed their MBAs, have joined the organization named Zenasti Technologies Private Limited. Abhishek is the manager, and the trio, Saurabh, Piyush, and Tushar, have been working there for about 5 years. Anmol, the first newbie in the corporate world, is kind and humble. He is the kind of person who likes to stick to his work and does not get distracted easily. He is goal oriented, honest, and hardworking. Shreya, the second new joinee, is full of energy and enthusiasm. Seems like a person who likes to talk and socialize. Management has high hopes, looks like a goal oriented person who can seize any opportunity and prosper.
Morning. I hope you all had a nice weekend. So, beginning this Monday, we'll be having two new recruits in our team, Shreya and Mol. And please welcome them.
Welcome, guys.
Hey guys, welcome.
Hi, thank you for the warm welcome. We're looking forward to working with you.
Thank you, everyone. Looking forward to this wonderful opportunity.
Yeah, welcome Shreya and Mol. So, let's get started. Let's go ahead with our agenda for the day. So, Tushar, what's the status on Minecraft Technologies? Are they fine with the project?
Yes, Abhishek, I had a brief meeting with them. They are good to go on it.
All right. So, from today on, Anmol will work with you on this so that he understands the working, right? Okay. So, Piyush and Saurav, what's happening with your client?
Sir, we are ready with the proposal, just awaiting a convenient time for the client so that we can set up the meeting.
All right. That's good. So,
Hey Anmol, hope you are good. So, you are a Zanastian now. Welcome to the team.
Hey, thanks, Tushar.
Just a little update. Remember Minecraft from Monday meeting? So, we are determined to take few projects from them.
Thanks, Tushar. Great. Let's work. How do I contribute?
Well, that's the spirit, boy. Let's
Hey
do it.
Shreya, welcome to Zynasty Tech.
Hi, Shreya.
Hey, thank you guys.
Okay, so let's get on with our work. So we are trying to increase our clientele by taking trip track with a few of the incoming projects.
Oh, okay. So I think that's easier to work with because I had great grades in communication and convincing skills when I was doing my masters. So I think I would do great. Anyway, tell me till what extent that you guys have worked, and then I'll see what I have to do.
Okay, so we will be working upon various factors here. I believe you will understand this project, and Saurav will help you with this going forward.
Hey guys, how is work going on?
Don't ask, man. It is getting difficult to deal with her.
Why? What happened?
She's so narcissistic that happened. She doesn't want to listen to our ideas at all, although we've been here for so long.
Anyway, how it is working with Anmol?
Well, it's good to have him on board. He is cooperative, and I am hopeful regarding him.
I don't know, man, how we'll work with her.
I'm doubtful about it too.
Well, I would just say give it some time. It's too early to judge.
Yeah, let us see what happens.
Anmol calls and tries to get information on how to get the project by contacting the company head and pitching the project well.
Anyways, I called you to tell you that there's this one project that we're looking, from your company, and wanted to know if you could possibly get that project. If you could get that, now I would get a raise, man.
I'm not sure about your company though.
Well, in that case, I can get you some information about a similar company that is a client of Zynasty Tech that could probably help you. What do you say?
Okay, send it across. I will talk to my management and see.
Great.
Well, actually, Saurav, I had a small favor that I wanted to ask you for.
Okay, go ahead.
Well, I'm really close to completing the deal, but I need certain documents and I don't have access to that. Could you please help me on that?
Well, I can provide you with the documents, but the problem is they contain a lot of confidential data. And if it comes out in the open, that then it might have negative consequences, and we may even lose the deal. So,
Well, I think, you know, we're really very close to completing this deal. And if these documents are there, the company would be really sure of what they're dealing with.
okay, what I'll do is I'll search for the document and I'll send it to you. But you need to make sure that you don't spill it to anyone.
Definitely not, man. I'll be sure not to do that. Thank you so much. You're awesome.
Hey, it's me, guys. You were working on Trip Track Trek. How's the work going?
Good man. We didn't expect Shreya to crack this deal so soon, but she did it. Maybe we were wrong to judge her so soon. What do you say, Saurabh?
Yeah, I think she did great.
What happened?
Probably I did something wrong.
And what did you do?
I gave her the client document that would help her get the deal, but that was without Abhishek's permission.
What? Man, you know that's against dynasty ethics, right?
Dude, that's wrong. And what will Abhishek say? He may even fire you.
Oh god.
Abhishek gets a call from the manager of Trip Track Tech. He is very thankful for the fact that Abhishek's team has given him the access to such critical data. Howsoever, Abhishek, being a man of ethics, feels cheated and thinks to raise this issue in the Friday meeting.
Just letting you guys know, I just had a call with Trip Track and the deal is off. And I got to know that someone traded the client information. So who was it, guys?
Abhishek, it was me. I did it because me and Shreya both thought that it would help us get the deal. So, uh, I'm really sorry for that.
So who told you to do it, Saurav?
Abhishek, me and Shreya, we both thought it would help us get the deal, but it was actually suggested by Shreya.
By Shreya. So what do you have to say, Shreya, on this?
Abhishek, actually, they were very skeptical on giving us the deal. Therefore, I thought that if we show a similar client, then they might show interest, and therefore they would, give us the deal. That was the only thought.
So before doing all that, Shreya, before thinking all of that, did you not think to ask me first?
Sorry, Abhishek.
Guys, I think we need to have a talk on this and I'll call a meet with both of you.
Hi, Abhishek. Just wanted to say really sorry for what has happened.
Yeah, Abhishek, so I'm truly apologetic and this won't be happening again.
Well, Shreya, before you came up with this brilliant idea of sharing a client's confidential information to a third party for a deal to go through, did it ever occur to you that there are laws governing such practices? That we enter into agreements with our clients while onboarding them which covers clauses such as client confidentiality and material non-public information. Have you ever heard of those terms? I'm sure that before you hit the company floors, you were well informed about all this in the trainings given to you. It is so very important to know the consequences that our actions entail. Do you know that a client could sue us? And what situation would that land us in? our public image, investor relations, future business prospects all could take a big hit. Even the present clients could start questioning our credibility, and the relations we have developed with them over the years could be destroyed just like that. And by the way, let me tell you that a decision has already been made. Both of you cease to be a part of the company effective now, and you will be receiving your expulsion letters.
What an unfortunate end. Shreya, who seemed to have a very bright future, just because of the dark traits she possessed, not only influenced her career path, rather, she influenced situations to be much more negative for the gullible guy Saurav.